Hi guys, it's Machaela and welcome back to my channel and welcome to a what's in my hospital bag video. I am 38 weeks pregnant and I literally just now finished doing this, so I probably would not recommend that if you are high risk pregnancy or in general. I'm a little overconfident that baby's just not going to come till his due date. So I'm in a little bit of an awkward position right now because I am going to show you what's in here. This is both for me and my husband. And as far as what's in the baby's bag goes, I just packed his diaper bag. If you'd like a separate video on that, please let me know. But this is just for me and my husband. And on top of that, we're just going to pack additional snacks. So let's just go ahead and start with just kind of what's here. And then we'll work our way to this side. I did go ahead and pack a couple of towels. We're both going to need towels for like the shower and things like that. I know the hospital provides a lot of that, but I don't remember if they provided towels or if we had to ask. So I went ahead and just packed some towels. I packed old towels that I don't care if I get a bunch of like my postpartum blood and everything else on them. So I didn't want to pack anything nice for the hospital. On top of that, aside from like or just regular underwear and things like that, I'm packing 2 nursing bras. At this point, I am still planning on formula feeding. However, at the beginning there, I remember just going through a lot of like having to wean, and I do want to give my babies, I like to give them the colostrum the first 3 days until my milk comes in, and that's when I'll start kind of the weaning process. But I did pack 2 of these socks. I did pack a couple of these, just a couple of like the thicker like slipper socks, just for comfort for walking around the room in. That's just a little bit more comfortable than just regular socks. Toiletries, obviously shampoo, conditioner, face wash, deodorant. To go with that, I did bring some nipple pads, some nursing pads. What are they called? I don't know, I just got these off of Walmart or something, but just some nipple pads. So let's go ahead and go into what I actually am bringing for like what we're gonna wear there. I kept it minimal, kept it comfortable. I am not bringing any makeup of any kind. I just, after going through this a couple of different times already, I decided that I'm not going to wear makeup if I wear makeup the day of, just because I'm having him during the day. Depending on when he comes, yeah, I'll wear makeup for that. But afterwards, all I'm going to want to do is just sit, hold him, not worry about putting a bunch of makeup on for pictures. Obviously, I'm going to take pictures, but there is something so pure in a woman after she just gave birth, without the makeup, without all being dressed up and doing all these things, and just the pureness in her face immediately after giving birth. And I really just feel like having no makeup on during that time really brings out that essence, and it's more comfortable and it's more practical. So for me, I didn't bring any makeup, but let's go ahead and start with what I packed my husband, and then I'll go in with what I packed for me. He's just got a couple of tank tops, a couple of t-shirts, a couple, I'm bringing him 1 pair of sweats in case he doesn't want to wear pajamas, then one pair of actual pajamas, and then a pair of shorts, and again just all the usual undergarments. Again, just thinking, being comfortable. We did also bring a wash rag, packing a wash rag, again just for, I don't remember whether or not they are going to provide those or not. I'm sure they would if we ended up asking, but at least this way we have it. Another thing, underwear. For me, I did only pack a couple of pairs of underwear because at the end of the day, they're going to provide that for me. I also did not choose to pack pads or Depends or anything like that because they will provide that for me and enough for me to take home. I still have some from my last birth that I just kind of have left in my stockpile. So I'm not really worried about that for myself. But this is moving on with what I brought for me. I'm bringing a robe just in case, you know, I normally wouldn't maybe even consider a robe, but just in case I get to the point of not really wanting to wear a shirt and I just kind of want to be able to wear a robe in my nursing bra. So this is just something I have on hand. I did pick this up. I did a little postpartum shopping this week just to kind of gear up. I did get a pair of pajamas. I figured if I did want some nicer pictures like next day, at least I have this that I can wear. It's just button up, and then I can wear a nursing bra underneath it. Same thing with this, just a nice baggy shirt or pajama top that again I'm gonna plan on wearing with a nursing bra. I'm packing a couple of just little camis, comfortable old camis that they're not nursing. I would have liked to get my nursing camis out. Unfortunately, I don't know where they are right now, but these will be just fine. I can just take it off my shoulder. I'm not even worried about it. Chances are, again, I'm just gonna wear my nursing bras. And then a couple of pairs of pants. They're older. Again, I don't know how much, well, there's gonna be a mess down there. So I didn't want to bring anything that I was gonna be too, like, I want to show it off. Of course, I have the pajamas here. That's gonna depend on whether or not I feel like really wearing the pants, nicer pants, but chances are I'm probably just gonna want something old and just kind of comfy and reliable. And I know that these ones here, they're comfortable, they're baggy, they're very forgiving. I know that I can rely on them for comfort, so I'm not going to be questioning whether or not they're going to be too tight on me. And then these here are actually my husband's. I stole them when I was pregnant with my second because I was growing out of my pajamas and I couldn't fit in them anymore, so I just went in his drawer, grabbed a pair of pajama pants, and then I never gave them back to him. And they've just kind of become a kind of almost like a funny kind of like you stole mine, and just kind of they're a little bit sentimental to me just for that reason. And I've been wearing them throughout this whole pregnancy, and yeah, he's just not getting these back because they're just that comfortable and I can loosen them or tighten them, and they're old enough to where I know they're reliable and I'm not worried about getting them messy or anything like that. So other than that, that is everything I have in my diaper bag or my hospital bag. Again, we're gonna pack snacks. I know I probably should have done that by now, but I figured, once we're getting ready, I'm gonna know with enough time for us to be able to grab a few snacks, plus the hospital is gonna have food, so I'm not too worried about that. I'll probably bring a couple of extra water bottles just because I remember getting so thirsty with my first. I don't remember doing that with my second so much, but just wanting to stay hydrated because your body gets put through a lot while giving birth. So definitely wanting to pack things like waters, pack some chips, maybe sandwiches. I really don't know yet. I'm thinking for putting it in the car, I want something that's just gonna be able to not perish anytime soon. But again, I'll know enough before I actually give birth that I'm sure we'll have time to stop and get like snacks and things like that. So that's everything I have in this minimalistic hospital bag. Again, I just don't feel like I need a whole heck of a lot, considering we're only going to be there for a couple of days. I mean, granted, a couple extra days if I end up having an emergency C-section or they decide that for whatever reason it's best. So I did pack with enough items for that, but I am planning on anywhere from 2 to 4 days. And again, if we happen to need something more, I'm sure we've got family around, they can come in and grab a couple things for us. But with that, I hope this video was helpful. Let me know if you want to know what's in the baby's diaper bag. His hospital bag basically or diaper bag consisted of onesies, pajamas, blankets, both the little light muslin swaddles, as well as some thicker blankets. I'm thinking pictures, and yeah, mittens and diapers and wipes and just anything you'd put in a newborn diaper bag. And again, if you would like a video on that, please let me know. But with that, I hope this video was helpful. I can't believe we're at the end here. Baby is gonna come any day now, so we are we're excited and we're nervous, and just all the emotions that come with getting ready to have a baby. And I can't believe we're almost there. Like, we could pop any day now. So I'm gonna get this stuff in the car in case we do pop sooner than what I think we're gonna do. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do videos focusing on beauty and lifestyle, and I will see you in the next one. God bless, and bye guys.